name is Latha. I'm from Bangalore. So I'm a mother of two kids. So I have done my MBA in 2007. And after that, due to the kids, so I have stopped my career. And again, I want to start my career fresh. So I was choosing digital marketing. So one of my friend suggested me Digital Vidya. She is in a most top leading person in this digital marketing, and she also done digital marketing in Digital Vidya 2013. So she suggested me this. So because of that, I was chosen Digital Vidya, and I learned a lot of things in Digital Vidya. Before that, even I tried so many things by seeing YouTube and all, but that doesn't work for me. So when I joined in Digital Vidya, I improved my confidence that I have learned so many practical assessments through. I have learned a lot and I boost my confidence as well. So now I'm looking to work as a part-time job and as a freelancer. Marketing in these days is a boosting online marketing. So we can basically I'm looking for work from home. So this have a lot of options. So I can choose one platform and I can go happily by seeing my kids. I can enjoy my work as well. The training went very well, smooth way. So especially Mega was taken a lot for us sessions, and she teached us like a peeling banana kind of thing. So she teached each and everything in a good way, understandable way. And the remaining all mentors also teach very nice actually. So I learned a lot, especially Mega. She teaches me for me more. I learned from her more. Yeah, now I boost my confidence because of Digital Vidya. I was worked so many assessments in Digital Vidya. So now I'm capable to work on Digital Vidya. I have done all the exams. So I have collected and uploaded in Digital Vidya and I have been seen some certificates in Digital Vidya website also. Yeah, definitely I will give reference to Digital Vidya. Sorry, it's
Feel.
giving one in Digital Vidya and Digital Marketing.
Yeah.
It's been started along, and now also they are recommending me. I know, I trusted you people, and I joined. Now I have lot trusted more. My trust was increased, and definitely I will share about Digital Vidya if somebody asks me about Digital Vidya.